Hello guys, welcome to iSpecss. In this video I will show you how to change default apps in Windows 10. So before getting started, subscribe to this channel. Now if you have done that, let's get started. Go to System Settings on your Windows 10 computer and open Apps. Then click on Default Apps and now here choose the default apps that you want. That's it. Hope you found this video useful. If you do, like this video and share it. Comment down below if you have any questions. Lastly, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet for more informative tech videos, and also turn on notifications to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.